Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the most interesting and intriguing content from around the world. Pluto tests the limits of our knowledge of the cosmos from the outside of the solar system. The dwarf planet, which is located in the distant Kuiper belt, is thought to be one of the numerous celestial objects that were left over after the solar system formed. Pluto is one of the biggest things in the Kuiper belt, yet it is only approximately 2/3 the size of Earth's moon and only half as wide as the contiguous United States. It is so readily overwhelmed by the 8 actual planets in the solar system. This small planet orbits the Sun every 248 Earth years, from an average distance of more than 3.6 billion miles, or 40 times further than the distance between Earth and the Sun. Extreme temperatures between 375 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit are experienced on the dwarf planet's surface due to its separation from the solar system's primary source of heat. Pluto's geological makeup is significantly shaped by the Arctic conditions. Its mantle is constructed of ice, while its core is likely composed of rock and metals. Rock and various forms of ice, such as frozen carbon monoxide, methane, and nitrogen, make up the dwarf planet's crust. Pluto's surface area, which is around 6.4 million square miles, is covered with these frozen gases. This is hardly larger than Russia. The frozen landscape is quite similar to Earth's. Include craters, valleys, polar ice caps, and plains. It even contains frozen nitrogen glaciers, and the frozen water on the surface creates enormous floating mountains. Weather patterns or the presence of an atmosphere have an impact on such a diverse landscape. Due to the dwarf planet's weak gravitational pull, Pluto's atmosphere is thin and rises to a great height. It only has a strength that is around 6% that of Earth. Pluto has blue sky because of the atmosphere, which is made up of red hydrocarbon particles, and nitrogen and methane gases. Even a portion of the atmosphere may freeze and fall as snow. 5 moons orbit the dwarf planet well above its atmosphere. Charon is the biggest and almost half the size of Pluto. Nix, Hydra, Kerberos, and Styx are the other 4 moons. They are all much smaller. While by the middle of the 1800s, the 8 real planets had been found. Up until 1930, no one had seen Pluto. Pluto was regarded as the 9th planet and was named after the Roman deity of the underworld. Pluto, however, lost this position in 2006. Deeper in the Kuiper belt, planets akin to Pluto were being found at the time. This raised serious questions about Pluto and what constitutes a planet. Pluto was assessed by the International Astronomical Union. Using the criteria required to be a genuine planet, it must move around the Sun, has sufficient mass and gravitational attraction to take on a spherical form despite not being a moon. Pluto's position was jeopardized by the 4th quality, though: its inability to remove junk from its orbit. Pluto was thus downgraded from being a genuine planet to a dwarf planet, probably a demotion. The tale of Pluto illustrates how our knowledge of the cosmos is still developing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.